Hello and welcome to Honorable Investing. This is a new channel. As you can see, we only have one subscriber. Shout out to that subscriber. Honorable Investing. This is a channel where we talk about everything investing. I personally love dividend stocks. You're not really going to get to know me too much because this channel is not about me. It is about the dividends and the cash flow and all the money that we're bringing in. And today I'm coming at you with a banger dividend. We're talking about KLIP, CLIP. This is China Shares Crane Shares China Internet and Covered Call Strategy ETF. So this is basically an ETF that tracks an underlying asset, which is Crane Shares CSI China Internet ETF, also known under the ticker symbol KWEB. So KWEB is a Chinese internet ETF. What it does is it basically tracks the performance of the overall market in terms of China's internet and things like that. And basically, as you can see on the right here, we got the total net assets to roughly be about 5 billion, just under that, 4.7 billion. This is KWEB. It trades on the NYSE, and the tracking asset, as you could so call it, is KLIP. So KLIP basically is a covered call ETF, and what it does is it tracks the performance of KWEB. So if you want to look at the performance of KLIP, just going back to here, you can see it's closely related to KWEB. So this right here is KWEB. I'm going to bring it back out to about 6 months. So if you look at this point where my mouse is at here, this is roughly when KLIP was announced. And as you can see by KLIP's chart, it looks pretty bad. It's literally straight down, but that's also because it's supposed to track KWEB, which has also been straight down for that period. You can see as it had a little rise up over at about this period, we'll call it February 24th to about May 3rd, January, February, May. Yeah, I got it right. Let's see what it did here. February 24th to about May 3rd or so. You see it pretty much tracks and is identical to China's internet sector ETF. So with that in mind, how does KLIP pay these massive dividends? As you can see, it paid out about 5 dividends over the past 5 months. So it is a monthly paying dividend stock. It has a dividend of roughly 55% going off of the last and current dividend. As you can see, an X dividend. So it goes X at the end of the month and pays, I'm pretty sure it pays about 2 days after. As you can see by here, it goes X on the 26th and it pays on, it pays on the 31st. So about 5 days after. That's not too bad. But looking at their previous dividends, you can see they're all, the first one coming in at 50 cents, which was the lowest, then up to $1.16. They're all hovering at about, let's say, like 50 cents to about $1. And for a stock that only costs about $19, that's a pretty substantial dividend. But you are paying that with the kind of like volatility that the stock does have. I currently own about 41 shares of KLIP, and I have been paid this most recent dividend, and I'm very happy with it. I actually doubled down on my position. I had 20 and then I bought 21 more shares, and I'm going to keep investing and keep putting my money into KLIP as it produces a pretty insane dividend. But that's pretty much it on KLIP. It's a great dividend stock so far. What I'm going to do is I can keep you guys updated on how it's performing. It does track the KWEB International ETF China. And basically, however this performs, I'm not sure if it performs better in a down market or in an upwards market in terms of the underlying asset. But I mean, I guess we're here to find that out. But I just wanted to bring this stock to your attention if you're interested in a high dividend yield, just because looking at it, it's a 55% dividend. Where are you going to find that anywhere else? I'm not saying to invest in KLIP because this is not financial advice, as you're told to say on YouTube. But if you do invest in KLIP, you'll get rich. Just kidding. But with a 55% dividend yield, maybe it's worth a shot at you giving it a try. So that is all for this video. I want to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.